Hi, here's a quick tip on how to set up your folders in HitFilm so that they are there every time you start a project and you do not have to keep adding them on each new project. If your folders are totally different on each project, then this won't work, but for me it does work because I tend to edit in the same style every time. If you add folders and you wanted to save them in your new workspace as a preset, then when you open up a new project you will notice that the folders will be gone and you will have to add them again. So this is how I do a workaround to keep my folders there when I want to start a new project. Open up a new project and start adding your folders in the media panel. I add the folder I need and then add subfolders to the main folder. For example, I put 4K, HD and SD in my video folder and voiceover sound effects and music in my audio folder. Your folder selection will be specific to you. Keep adding folders until you have all you need. Now you should have all the folders set up the way you want, and then go to File, then Save As, and save the file on your desktop and name it HitFilm Master Layout. Now from your desktop you can launch HitFilm with the folders you mostly work with. Once HitFilm is open, you can save it as whatever you want. I hope this helps anybody starting out in HitFilm, and thanks for watching.